boxed cushion with zip and top stitching. In this video, I will show you how to make a boxed cushion with zip and top stitching. The fabric is contract fabric, which is very strong. To get a tight cover, cut the foam about ½ centimetre bigger than your final cover measurements. You will need polyester wadding. It protects your fabric from wear. You could also use stockinette. Apply the adhesive on one side. Cut the corners. Spray the corners with adhesive spray. Wait a little. Squeeze the wadding together. Cut the panels the same size as the foam. Panels for the zip are 1½ centimetres higher. This foam is very soft, so we need a tight fit. I show you the fabric as it is on the roll. Important if your fabric has a pile or pattern. This fabric frays a lot. You can zigzag it or use an overlocker. I use something different, anti-fraying spray. Cover the rest of the fabric before using. It feels a bit like glue. To prevent empty doggy ears, taper the corners. Start at 6 centimetres from the corner. Move 1 centimetre inward at the point. You can make a template. I have a 3D printed one. I use a continuous zip. Split it. One side has visible teeth, the other side does not. Place the zip on the fabric, teeth down. The zip is about 4 centimetres longer than the panel. Use a zipper foot to sew close to the teeth. Sew small lengths at a time. Keep the zip straight. Do the same on the other panel. Top stitch the zip, fold the fabric over. Stitch along the teeth. I use a walking foot for a smooth line. Put the slider on the zip line up the panels. Place the slider on one side. Then to the other side. Hold the ends and pull. This takes practice. The zipper part is done. Sewing the cover sequence. First, sew the boxing with the zip panels. Then, sew the face panels. Sewing boxing with zip panels. Sew 1 centimetre from the edge. Backstitch over the zip. Move the slider, runner as needed. Top stitching the corners. Open the seam allowance. Top stitch the corners on both sides. I use my walking foot for a neat line. Do this on all 4 corners. Sewing face panels to boxing. Turn panels right sides together. Stitching the corners. Mark the middle of zip and face panel. Keep edges aligned. Sew small pieces at a time. Stop your needle in the middle of the seam. Lift your foot and keep on stitching. More corners are coming, don't worry. Fit the cover on the foam before continuing. Adjust if needed. Top stitch boxing. Start in the middle of the zip panel. Fold the seam to the zip side. Check corners as you sew. you have a smooth corner result from tapered face panel. Go around and backstitch. Sew second face panel. Right sides together. Start in the middle of the zip panel. Open zip a bit to turn cover later. Match middle markings. Corners. Place needle in the middle. Turn the panel. Showing sewn corners. Corners line up nicely. Top stitch boxing. Start in the middle of the zip panel. Keep the rest of the cover out of the way. Put foam in cover. Fold foam in half. Pull the cover over it slowly, little by little. It looks like it does not fit, but it does. Place the corners snug. Align seams. Hold zip panels and close zip. Ensure there is no wadding in the teeth. The end result. And finally, here it is. I hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video. Ma.